Yeah, I was sent these brass fittings. They're for a water hose to do a review on. It came with 4 fitting. 2 of the fittings fit right on in the water hose where you can attach the other 2. The first one is a nozzle, kind of like I guess like a fire hose nozzle where you can twist it, and the water will go from a stream out to more like a spray. The more you twist it, the more it changes the flow. So it shows the different amount. So you could do a steady stream, which it'll shoot probably 20-30 feet, or you could do a little mist. And then the other nozzle is like just a straight heavier stream. You can't adjust this one, but it's good for like cleaning your steps, getting mildew off the house or anything like that. It's a pretty hard stream, so it knocks the debris off your steps pretty good. I had a little bit of mildew on the steps, and it works really good. So it'll shoot up to the top of my house, which is about 15 or 16 feet off the ground. So you just you can spray some cleaner up there and then wash it off with a water hose. But it works really good. So if you're looking for some good fittings, check these out.